180 years on, Lafarge is the leader in building materials today, pushing the boundaries of research and innovation in over 60 countries. Now in your city, the world's most trusted building materials company. Built the way the world does, with the world leader in cement, Lafarge.
तो हमारे हस्बैंड रोड एक्सीडेंट हुआ, दैट मीन्स उसका कुछ अनसेफ्टी थी, तो टाटा स्टील में मैं हस्बैंड का सर्विस हमें मिली है.
We were seeing women employees wearing the traditional sarees. That could lead to major injuries.
हम लोग टाटा स्टील में साड़ी से पैंट शर्ट में आना पहला लेडीज थे हम लोग. औरत सब कुछ कर सकती है.
Presenting the Hyundai Grand, the grand new Lingo.
Hyundai.
अरे लाल चड्डी क्या हो गया भाई?
दर्जी को 5 मीटर कपड़ा दिया, लेकिन कॉस्ट्यूम में मोबाइल रखने के लिए एक पॉकेट नहीं है. चोर पॉकेट भी नहीं है. अब धरती बचाओ या मोबाइल पकड़ो.
बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है तो या मोबाइल है फटाफट बेचना. Quikr.com पे.
Quikr.com पे फ्री ऐड पोस्ट कीजिए, फोटोज डालिए, डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखिए और बेचिए मोबाइल.
मैं लूंगा.
Sell by find anything. Quikr.
Let's look into future India with BP, where energy makes over 1 billion lives better. Energy discovered in the deepest waters and seen even through the rocks. With investments in lubricants, oil, gas and petrochemicals, we'll fuel this future together. BP in India. There is energy in this partnership.
नहीं चाहिए.
पर क्यों सर? इसमें कोई ज्वाइनिंग फी नहीं है, कोई एनुअल फी नहीं है और
अब पुराना नहीं चाहिए. क्या करूँगा क्रेडिट कार्ड लेके?
आधे घंटे से जो आप सेफ खोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो आप क्रेडिट कार्ड से खोल सकते हैं.
Unlocks with your credit card. Godrej eSwipe. अब मुसीबत से डरना कैसा?
Rivers are our lifelines, providing us with fresh water, but due to untreated sewage and industrial waste, almost half of our 445 rivers are unfit for drinking. Water pollution is not only diminishing our fresh water sources, but is also adversely affecting the marine life, which in turn is affecting the livelihood of many fishermen. T. Sampath Kumar is one extraordinary Indian who took on the challenge of reversing this damage. His Nualgi technology has the potential of cleaning up the pollution in our rivers and oceans, making them safer, cleaner and fit for the marine life. This invention truly has the capacity to turn back time and take us back to zero water pollution.
Sparkling, gurgling, gushing waters of many of our rivers is a sight to behold. Traversing several hundred kilometers, the waters find solace in the vast seas and oceans. But on this journey, they often mingle with a host of pollutants like sewage and garbage. Other water bodies like lakes share the same fate. Bengaluru, once dubbed as the city of lakes, now has most of them covered in weed and polluted with sewage, killing not only the urban landscape and the lake ecology, but also fishermen's livelihood.
ಲೇಕ್ ಗಲೀಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ ಮರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನೇ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕಾರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಲೀಜಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆನೇ.
But even as the world debates on how to clean our rivers and lakes, there's an innovation whose impact is trickling its way across the world.
This particular lake, this is Madiwala Lake. This is about 2 acres size. It is partially treated. That means that the sewage is still coming in. The fishermen are doing fishing here. Plenty of fishes they are getting. And there is a partial treatment. Whenever the oxygen level dips, they add our product new algae into the water to get the oxygen back. And then they do fishing. The government are not treating it. Only the fishermen are treating it.
Restoring balance to the marine ecology is Chartered Accountant T. Sampath Kumar's new algae nanosilica, a product born out of his own curiosity.
Way back in 1990s, I was interested. I had a prawn hatchery near Mahabalipuram. At that time, I was wondering how the marine fishes they get their food. I wanted to develop the marine food chain so that I can grow the food wherever they wanted. I did a lot of reading. I found that one particular algae called diatom algae produce more than 50% of the marine food.
The product helps the diatom algae grow in any water body. Diatom algae are unicellular and are the producers in a food chain, but the chain reaction leads to something more.
A plant requires about 13 nutrients to grow. What we have done is, we have a nanosilica base. On the nanosilica base, we have absorbed all the micronutrients required for the plant growth in a certain proportion that is suitable for the diatom growth. Once we have done that formulation, and that one when you add to any water body, the spores are already there in the particular water body. The spores get activated, they bloom into a diatom algae, and they absorb water, they absorb carbon dioxide, and they produce oxygen and produce food under the water. So that way that marine food chain is started off. The food is consumed by zooplankton. Zooplankton in turn consumed by fishes. The oxygen in the water helps aerobic bacteria break down the pollution, organic load in the system, and everything else consumed ultimately by the fishes.
New algae is a micronutrient food which, when dissolved in water, starts showing results within the first few minutes.
ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೆರೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಜೀವರಾಶಿಗಳು ಕೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಜೀವರಾಶಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಗಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನಾನುಕೂಲ ಆಗದಿರಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೆರೆನ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
Giving a new lease of life to water bodies, New Algae is on a quest for zero water pollution.
In an effluent treatment plant, you have aerators. A lot of power is required, and you have to make the oxygen in the air dissolve in the water for the oxygen to help aerobic bacteria break down the organisms. In our system, it's very, very simple. The plant body that is growing under the water produces pure oxygen underwater, and you don't need such kind of investment. Very large investment is not required, and any capacity we can handle depending on the volume. We can add that much product into the water. Ultimately, even that sludge and whatever organics are remaining at the bottom of the lakes and rivers and places, everything will get cleaned up. All of them will get oxygenated. Aerobic bacteria will break down all that, and ultimately entire pollution can be completely removed from the face of the earth. Definitely you can have a zero pollution. Until now, India and much of the world have operated within a familiar philosophy: grow now, clean up the mess later. But if we are going to have the great future we are capable of, that philosophy simply won't work. So it's time to grow efficiently, sustainably, and responsibly. Today we saw a few impressive innovators who are tackling the problem head-on. In our quest for zero, these exciting people are using brilliant science and technology to bring us that much closer to zero emissions and zero pollutions. Until next week, it's me, Anupam Kher, saying goodbye.
Hi, I'm Himanshu Patil. Watch me on the Capgemini Super Techie Show Season 2. Find out how the Super Techies perform to conquer the Videocon D2H Customer Satisfaction Challenge.
Watch the 3 teams solve the Videocon D2H Challenge. Catch the Capgemini Super Techie Show Season 2 Videocon D2H Special. On Times Now.
सेफ खोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो आप क्रेडिट कार्ड से खोल सकते हैं।
Unlocks with your credit card. Godrej eSwipe. हम मुसीबत से डरना कैसा?
At GoDaddy, we believe the future of your business is mobile.
That's why we make sure your site will be a big hit, even on the small screen.
GoDaddy automatically converts your website to mobile.
Instantly.
Perfect for viewing and navigating on smartphones.
It's easy.
So if you have a small business
or a big business idea,
get online today and go mobile with GoDaddy.
Now in India.
Okay.
He rides like a breeze through coconut trees. Ladies, ladies, please. You'll go weak in the knees.
If you look around there, no banana leaves. Look at him go, he's such a big breeze. He rides like a breeze.
Yeah, he rides like the breeze. Yeah.
देखा एमरॉन नहीं तो लॉन्ग लाइफ नहीं, क्योंकि सिर्फ एमरॉन में सिल्वर जो देता है इसे लॉन्ग लाइफ। एमरॉन सिल्वर टिंग सिल्वर टोंग।
Let's look into future India with BP, where energy makes over 1 billion lives better. Energy found in the most challenging places, discovered in the deepest waters, and seen even through the rocks by bright, innovative minds. With investments in lubricants, oil, gas, and petrochemicals, we'll fuel this future together. BP in India. There is energy in this partnership.
गुड इवनिंग सर, आपको क्रेडिट कार्ड चाहिए क्या? हमारी बैंक आपको फ्री में दे रही है।
नहीं चाहिए।
पर क्यों सर? इसमें कोई ज्वाइनिंग फी नहीं है, कोई एनुअल फी नहीं है और
अब पुराना नहीं चाहिए। क्या करूँगा क्रेडिट कार्ड लेके?
आधे घंटे से जो आप सेफ खोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो आप क्रेडिट कार्ड से खोल सकते हैं।
Unlocks with your credit card. Godrej eSwipe. हम मुसीबत से डरना कैसा?
Let's look into future India with BP, where energy makes over 1 billion lives better. Energy discovered in the deepest waters and seen even through the rocks. With investments in lubricants, oil, gas, and petrochemicals, we'll fuel this future together. BP in India. There is energy in this partnership.
Sunburn rides on Hero.
2 बिरयानी, 2 वेज हांडी, 1 दाल मखनी, 3 रोटी। 2 मिनट में लेके आया सर।
2 मिनट सुन, खाना कल से बना के रखा है क्या? जितना टाइम लगे ले लो, लेकिन खाना अच्छा लाना।
देखा, आप भी मानते हो कि अच्छे खाने के लिए टाइम देना पड़ता है। अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि म्यूचुअल फंड्स में भी अच्छे रिटर्न्स पाने के लिए टाइम देना पड़ता है, तो आप मानोगे? अरे जानोगे तभी तो मानोगे। तो लॉग ऑन कीजिए janotomano.com पर फ्रॉम बिरला सन लाइफ म्यूचुअल फंड।
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Sachin, that will reverberate in my ears till I stop breathing.
The walk that will never be forgotten. Sachin Tendulkar gets emotional as teammates give him a guard of honor at the end of the Wankhede test.
It was 2nd of April 2011.
I can't imagine Sachin without cricket. I mean, I can imagine cricket without Sachin, but I can't imagine Sachin without cricket.
Tributes continue to pour in for the legend who signed off from the cricket